Hey there. What's up? I'm good, and I was a little bit confused. This YouTube thing was not working for me as well. If you are having the same issue, then you clicked the right video. But before we start, hit that subscribe button and we go.
Are your views low, your subs stuck, and your videos barely getting clicks? You might be making these 5 silent mistakes that are slowly killing your channel. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Bad hook. Most creators lose viewers in the first 10 seconds. Why? Because they ramble, say, "Hey guys, too long," or give no reason to stay. Mistake 2. If you're making videos you like instead of what your audience wants, you're guessing, and YouTube punishes guessing. Look at the most watch time and double down on those styles. Mistake 3. Low retention. YouTube's #1 goal is to keep people watching. If your video drops viewers after 30 seconds, YouTube stops pushing it. It is related with your video's retentivity. Mistake 4. No clear CTA. Most YouTubers forget to ask. If you're not asking people to subscribe, they probably won't. Mistake 5. Ignoring thumbnails and titles. YouTube is a click game. If your title and thumbnail don't grab attention, your video is dead, even if it's good. Your title thumbnail should spark curiosity or promise value.
Hey, it's me again. If this helped, hit subscribe, drop a yes in the comments, and check the next video in the description to fix the 5 biggest YouTube mistakes. See you on the flip side. Thanks for watching.